Another major Jubilee event has come to its end in Rome, the Jubilee of Choirs. At Mass, Pope Leo invited attendees to rediscover their ministry as a service of love and unity. EWTN Vatican journalist Bénédicte Cedergren has more.
Singing belongs to those who love, Pope Leo reminded the faithful gathered in Rome for the Jubilee of Choirs. Addressing the approximately 35,000 choristers, the Holy Father explained that for Christians, sacred music is more than just a performance. It is a gift of humanity and an instrument to express love, invocation, and praise of God. In this, the Pope stressed, choir members truly serve the Church.
Your task is to draw others into the praise of God and to help them to participate more fully in the liturgy through song. Yours is a true ministry that requires preparation, commitment, mutual understanding, and above all, a deep spiritual life, so that when you sing, you both pray and help everyone else to pray.
Aiutate tutti a pregare.
Since the Jubilee coincided with the feast of Saint Cecilia, patron saint of music, dozens of concerts took place in churches across the city. The Pontifical Institute of Sacred Music also marked the occasion with a special event. It unveiled a commemorative plaque to celebrate the 500th anniversary of the birth of the great Italian Renaissance composer Giovanni Pierluigi da Palestrina.
The most important figure in the 16th century that really created our way of perceiving harmony was Giovanni Pierluigi Palestrina. And why is it important for the Church? Because he composed for the liturgy predominantly. He did also motets, but predominantly he composed for the liturgy, so for Mass and for the office. And he composed it in this very space, so the house is not here anymore, so it's a new house. But the place where he lived and composed and where he died was really here.
Nicknamed Princeps Musicae, the Prince of Music, for his unmatched influence on sacred polyphony and the development of Western liturgical music, Palestrina remains a timeless inspiration for many choirs today. His work not only shows how music can express love for God through its beauty, but also serves as a guide for future generations.
We know how music is one of the artistic forms which, within the liturgy, becomes an expression of devotion, of the search of the mystery of God, of the celebration of faith. To pray with the music is truly an experience of deepening into the mystery of God. The Church carries a great responsibility for the musical heritage it preserves, but also for keeping it alive.
For singers and musicians, this major Jubilee event was both inspirational and a reminder of how sacred music is rooted in divine love.
Music is very important to me, in every aspect of my life, and I think I'm able to connect with God faster when I listen to music before saying my prayers. That's how important it is to me in my life. The fact that my birthday falls on the feast of Saint Cecilia, I think it just says it all, because Saint Cecilia is the patron saint of music, so which makes it very special.
In Rome, Bénédicte Cedergren for EWTN News Nightly.